Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change color of objects in Photoshop. I have this apple right here and I want to change the color of it. So for that I can just select on the image, hold your Alt key and just drag it upwards so that you can get the copy of the image. Now here we need to go to this tool and hold your left click, and here you need to choose object selection tool. Just draw the square around the object. And yeah, you can see they have created the selection around the object. Now here you just need to click on this mask icon. Now it's time to change the color, so for that click on this icon right here and choose the option hue and saturation. So here you can just hold your Alt key again and just link them like this. Okay, once the effect is linked with the below image, we can now change the color. So I want red, I can just shift it towards left, right to choose the color. So here you can see we got the red. If you want another color, you can just move the slider accordingly. And also here you have the option for saturation also, and you can also adjust the lightness. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can change the object color in Photoshop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.